Hello, welcome to a quick Netflix series review, Lost in Space. I so look forward for this series. When I saw the trailer, I was super excited. I'm a huge sci-fi fan, so give me any sci-fi, I will give it a shot, right? But I must say that this series disappointed me. I hope there is a season 2. I hope. And I hope they do a better job because there is enough in season 1 to get me to want to have a season 2. But that being said, as far as season 1, what is the weakest part of the show? The characters. It's a larger cast than I expected. I figured with a show like Lost in Space, see a small cast, but it's not. It's a very large cast with a lot of familiar faces. So I'm surprised that maybe it's the writing, but it was underwhelming as far as character development. It's hard to like a show when I don't care for most of the characters. I think for me, the best character was the son, which is a good part because the son and the robot and the alien, the interaction and the relationship between those two characters, that was probably the best part of the show. For every episode when they are on the screen, that was interesting. As far as the father, the mother, the two sisters, like I said, and then the rest of the other survivor, it's not all that interesting to me. The worst part of the show, though, is Parker Posey. I think that's her name. The villain. I have a hard time dealing with that character because they paint her out to be... Well, the problem with a character like that is if you're going to be a conniving, manipulative character, it has to be believable. But the way she is throughout all the episodes from the very beginning, maybe it's me, but one look at her and I don't trust her. Nothing that came out of her mouth was believable, at the least bit. So I don't know. That character rubbed me the wrong way in every way. Every time she's on the screen. So no, I do not like that character one bit. And this is a spoiler-free review, so I'm not going to reveal much more. But the fact that she will be returning in the second season is one of the things that concern me the most. Okay, because I didn't like her in the first season, and I really don't care to see her again. But sadly, we will see her again in the second season. As far as production value, the show looked good. Okay, the design, the set design, and the suit design, everything looked pretty good. Even the vehicle. The only thing that got me chuckle is that I just saw another series called The Terror. The first 4 episodes on AMC, and the same thing. When you have a cold setting, none of the characters you can see their breath as they talk or breathe. So it's silly to me to yes, it's nitpicking to say that, but too many of these shows now are doing that, in that, let's have this setting in like the Arctic cold area, but nothing that they do is believable as far as being cold. The way they act, the way they move, the way they breathe. So that's a disappointment. And so was that the problem with the show? No, there are plenty of other problems with the show. So overall, it was a disappointment. But I like it just enough that I would like to see a season 2. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.